Do you know why people pleasers burn out so quickly? It's not because they're empathetic and kind. It is because they are constantly uh, projecting an image of themselves that is not true. And that is very, very tiring. The reason people pleasers are so nice and so agreeable and so pleasant all the time, part of it might be kindness and empathy, but when it goes into the realm of people pleasing, which is like, you cannot help but disregard all your boundaries and all your needs in favor of meeting the needs or meeting the expectations of other people. When it goes into that realm, then it is coming from a place of fear of abandonment, fear of rejection, fear of being perceived as, something that you don't want to be perceived as. Often it comes from trauma. Sometimes it's just a coping mechanism that you have developed because you've learned that um, it is rewarding and somehow it keeps you from having to suffer an even worse fate. So people pleasers, what they will do is they will show themselves to be people who have very minimal needs, people who are very low maintenance, people who will let other people walk over them all the time. So when these people do that, obviously that is going to be extremely, extremely tiring. But a lot of people pleasers have this internal narrative. They feel like, oh, I'm just a very kind person, I'm a very empathetic person, and other people are just misusing that or abusing it. But empathy and kindness don't require you to be very nice and self-sacrificing. If your empathy and kindness is going into the realm of constantly sacrificing yourself at the altar of other people's whims and desires, then it's not healthy. And it is another form of manipulation, which people pleasers may not be doing this consciously or mindfully. They're not manipulating others in the sense of, oh, I want to manipulate this person. It is just trying to manage the way other people perceive them so that they can avoid rejection or they can avoid abandonment. So that kind of effort, like constantly having to put in that kind of effort while sacrificing your own needs and boundaries, obviously it is extremely tiring, it's extremely draining, and it definitely leads to burnout. So if you're a recovering people pleaser, you have to let go of this narrative that what you're doing is just being empathetic and kind. What you're doing is sacrificing yourself, and you don't need to do that to be empathetic and kind and a good human being.